Hi, I'm Pete Nelson, Sales Manager for PlanetTogether. I'm here to answer your questions about PlanetTogether and advanced planning and scheduling anytime. My contact information is here on the screen. Before I begin this presentation, I'd like to start by asking you a question. If you could find someone that could sort through all of your supplies and demands, account for material and capacity constraints, and determine a production plan that meets your business goals every day, no matter what, how valuable would that person be to your company? Think about that as I walk you through a scenario in the PlanetTogether software. When I begin my day, I can see that everything is running fine in my food processing plant. Line 2 looks like it's in good shape, there's no red flags, but when I get a call that there's a problem on the production line for line 2 here, I can right-click on the capacity interval for it and update the schedule to indicate that that piece of equipment has broken down. As I right-click, I choose to open that occurrence of capacity and change it from its normal online status during the day to offline status. PlanetTogether takes care of automatically rescheduling that job, which used to be scheduled there on Wednesday, pushing it out till Thursday. Not only has that job been affected and is now late with the red flag above it, but that job feeds into my packaging line, and that job has also been affected and is late as well. I'd like to go ahead and evaluate and see if there are other jobs that may have been affected by this change. I can do that in several different ways. I like to look at the key performance indicators that I'm interested in for managing my business. Key performance indicators, or KPI for short. Key performance indicators show how my business is running, and PlanetTogether keeps track of every change that happens to my schedule. So not only is that great for looking at the impact on my key performance indicators, but I can actually undo every action in PlanetTogether. So it's a great way of getting comfortable with the system, learning it, and making sure that I'm confident in every decision that I make. It's like having a miniature what-if scenario every time I do something. I can always back up if it's something that I don't like. I can also switch over and look at the impact screen, which lists not only the 2 jobs that I saw on the Gantt chart turning red, but any other job that may have been positively or negatively impacted by any schedule change. So I have the data right there at my fingertips to make good decisions. I think the best decision that I can make is to try to optimize this schedule using the rules that I've built into the system. Rules are very easy to construct in PlanetTogether. You are allowed to have any number of rules, any number of resources, and each resource can share some common rules as well. Defining a rule is as simple as sliding different levers to indicate which parameters are most important for that particular resource. So oftentimes that's your due date, optimizing setups, and possibly looking at revenue or whether certain customers are more important than others. You decide what's most important for your business, input that into PlanetTogether, and allow it to optimize around those parameters using your constraints. You can change this at any time. Very flexible. When I click Optimize, PlanetTogether has automatically selected the next best eligible resource, line 3. You can also see that not only has it selected that particular resource because line 2 is unavailable, but both jobs are now on time, and that's a result of taking advantage of the automated optimization that you can customize very easily to meet your business goals. Not only is PlanetTogether a powerful system, we have really helped our customers in some great ways, and one of our customers has stated that the value of PlanetTogether cannot be overstated. That was a real quick walkthrough of PlanetTogether. As I said, I'm Pete Nelson. I'm here to answer your questions, so feel free to give me a call, send me an email anytime. I'm happy to help. Thank you.